Welcome to our first Disney video. We are checking in tonight into Disney's Riviera and thought we'd give you guys a little tour. Alright, we walk in first here and have a beautiful full kitchen. Now this is Disney's Riviera Resort, a Disney Vacation Club resort, and this bedroom is a one-bedroom villa located on the preferred view side. So it's dark out, so you're not going to be able to see exactly what a preferred view would be, but hopefully this will give you a good idea of the layout of the space. Now you can see here we have a trundle bed here, or a Murphy bed I should say, that pulls down from the ceiling. We got a nice dining area here as well for the entire family. In this case it's just Francisca and I sharing this room tonight, and it's just a one-night stay for us, so we went a little crazy on the room here just based on what was available, and also to celebrate Valentine's Day, because who doesn't want to celebrate Valentine's Day at the beautiful Disney Riviera Resort. We stopped off at Trusty Publix, got a little bubbly for us here. As we continue through the main room, this is a nice size king size bed here. So the Disney Deluxe Studio rooms also at DVC are only a queen size bed. So it's nice that in the one bedrooms you do get a full king size bed here. Then as we come into the bathroom, you have a nice well lit vanity here, as you can see, with everything that you could possibly need. Good storage here underneath. And then a beautiful soaking tub here. I think they just did a really nice job with the Riviera. I know it gets some mixed feedback here. Some people think the exterior could have been a little more themed, but I think in terms of the luxury feel of the accommodations, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to take you into this massive shower here. Nice rainfall shower head here, and you can see it goes all the way back with a nice stool there. And of course, the amazing Disney Sea Marine products as well. So we come back out of the shower, you have a separate little space here. Now what I like about these one bedroom villas is that when you are here with a family, and we've rented these before, I should say used our points before with family, you can close off segments of these bathrooms so that everybody can have their own space. You can have somebody in here taking a shower, getting ready, while the other folks are in the other bathroom washing up or getting dressed as well. And that's it. That brings us back into the main entrance here. There's Francisca, hello. And they also, in these units, you have a nice big full closet here. Nothing too exciting in there. Some extra pieces of bedding. And then on the other side here, you're going to have a full washer and dryer. Now we are going on a 7-night Disney cruise, so we are also staying at Disney's Boardwalk in a one-bedroom villa on the return end of our trip. And we will be sure to give you guys a tour of what that looks like as well. And that takes us to the end of the tour of Disney's one-bedroom villa at Disney's Riviera Resort. Alright, so I showed you that there is a pull-down Murphy bed here over by the couch, but also for the little ones, or the little ones at heart, there is an adorable little kid twin-size bed here with Mickey just lounging in the Italian Riviera, which is really, really cool. Got a cool little light in here as well. And as you can see, the Murphy bed, pretty easy to pull down here. As Francisca struggles with the Murphy bed, but you can see how cool is that with Peter Pan. Very, very cool. All right, it's breakfast time. Not a bad start to the day. We got a delicious looking cinnamon roll with the Joffrey's cold brew from the cafe in the Riviera, looking out at the beautiful Skyliner as we start to make our way over to EPCOT. Cheers. We're going to be getting on the Skyliner here in a couple minutes before we head over to EPCOT for early entry. So if you didn't know that when you stay at a Disney Deluxe Resort, most resorts you can get into the parks 30 minutes early. I think that may actually be changing. They may be offering a different benefit. I think I saw something about that on one of our other blogs that we follow, but for the time being, you can still get in 30 minutes early. Beautiful spot here, just sitting up enjoying nice cold brew, enjoying this beautiful Florida weather. plan for today?
Should I really say?
Sure.
Gonna go buy a house?
Maybe.
And then a Disney cruise.
Well, the Disney cruise is for sure happening.
Yeah. Oh, gonna go to Best Buy. Gonna go to EPCOT. Gonna go to Target. Buy a house.
I don't know. We'll see. It is
Okay.
Valentine's Day after all.
Valentine's Day present.
Ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
So we went to EPCOT for this early morning admission, and even though you don't get shorter lines for the most popular rides, you do get the park all to yourself. So our recommendation for these early morning admissions is not to rush to the rides. Take your time, grab a coffee, and enjoy the beautiful sights of the World Showcase. These are the booths for the Festival of the Arts.
Yeah.
But they're not open. We did learn on this trip that most of the booths of the Festival of the Arts do open at 11 a.m.
Hi.
Hi. So nice and quiet here.
The weather is perfect. Silencio Bruno. So we made it back to the resort after checking out EPCOT, moving on to the next part of our adventure.